Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can refund your money on PayPal. So simply what you need to do, just you can see this is the main interface for your PayPal account. So here you can see activity option, just click here. So here you can see transaction and all transaction option. So simply click on all transactions option. So what you need to do here, you can check your all sending and receiving payment details. So simply my account is not verified yet, so you cannot see, there is no transactions history here. So simply when you find your transaction history here, just click on this and click on report, and after this you can make a request to refund your relevant payment on PayPal. So in this way you can simply refund your money on your PayPal account.